much can I, or how much should I be investing in myself? How do you help people through this process as a wealth coach?
Well, as a wealth coach, we look at people individually where they are at. So there is, again, no formula to say that, okay, if you are a PAYG, you have to do this, or if you are a self-employed, you have to do this. We look at, say that, okay, where that person is at right now, financially and obviously mindset, how they think, because no matter what a great advice and technique I'll give to someone, if their mindset is not ready, they cannot take it, they will not listen to advice. So first they need to prepare for that. Another analogy that I use is, people often say that, okay, when you tell them that you need to invest in yourself, they say, well, I don't have enough money to do that. So, and they are right. I mean, when you look at it, they said, okay, yeah, maybe genuinely they want to do something, but they think they don't have enough money. You ask them that, okay, if you want to pay yourself $10,000 to do this course or go for this workshop or learn these skills, they will say that, no, I don't have the money. But at the same time, if, let's say, you call them and said, for example, your child just had an accident and in the hospital and you need $10,000 to fix him, they will come up with the money. So this is all about what is important for us. I'm sure, I mean, I'm not saying that, okay, we need to treat everything like that, but I'm just saying, if somebody wants something, they will find a way. So for people to say that, I don't have time, when they say I don't have time, I say, well, stop watching TV, stop watching Netflix. We all have 24 hours, that's all it is. And the same thing, if you don't have, let's say you don't have enough money to do that, I say, well, get rid of your Netflix, get rid of those other things that you do that, you know, can easily be replaced by something else. Another client, actually recently they cut down their gym membership. Well, of course, just don't worry, still they're doing their exercise, but with the great weather and where they were living, and just by moving to the property that they currently rented, which has got a gym and everything, so they cut down on the expenses on the gym membership for him and his wife, and it's just something about $200 easily a week they're now saved. So imagine that money, when I put it into perspective, putting that money into their mortgage, so they're going to cut down their mortgage by about 10 years. So the money, the $200 a week may seem, oh, okay, not much for, of course, people who are in $500,000 salary. But when you look at how is the impact of that little money, so that's the perspective. So that's why I say every time we need to look at, see how important it is, what we want to achieve, and then that wealth coaching program and that one-to-one session will be tailored the way that is needed for that person.